back to the channel. Welcome back to the first video of 2019. I hope everybody had a safe and happy New Year and a good Christmas as well, or whatever you celebrate. Right, so here's the K&N high-flow filter that's supposed to increase horsepower, but more to the point, it's reusable. A little bit different, same size. Yeah, that'll go in. Alright, I've changed it again, guys. This bit, I've got a different piece in there, just so we can get it through a bit further. That's loud. Okay, so we'll quickly do the Nissan. Alright, so yesterday, this joiner here was pissing out with some... when I took it out, there's no water in that line at all. Alright, so that brass T-piece wasn't working out, so I headed down to Bunnings, picked up this T-piece with a thread, and I got a cap for it. That cost a whole $3.85. So chuck it on. It's smooth. All I'm doing is smoothing out the clear. On there, bub. I don't have one. Some high heat with ceramic. Okay, guys, pretty much to the point of where I'm just doing stop putting now. So yeah, this looks 1,000 times better than it was before. Just having a little bit of trouble with this edge here, but work on that a bit more once the bumper comes off. Boost 30. Get myself a monster and then we'll start heading over to South Morang. Alright, got some monsters. Let's get going. So, still on my way home. I'm about 3 minutes from home. Stop at the ATM to get some money out. Car won't start. Alright, so I got the door panel off. There's a little hook, it's got a little clip. So you just pop that up when it comes off. Yeah. This isn't much fun. Yeah. There it is, boys. K24. Getting it out. I'll put the engine stand mount on it. Bring the engine stand over so I can wheel it in. checking on the couplers. They look okay. This one looks like it's moved a bit, but it's all connected still, pretty sure. Yeah, it's still all connected. We are going to Sakura picnic. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Just having a little gap there, and controlled leak, I guess. Alright, so this is Azzy. Just picked her up. New place. I believe the garage is in the backyard, so you'll see a lot more of Azzy getting around while I'm working. Alrighty guys, haven't got a huge amount of tools, but we'll get moving. Let's head over to the new HQ and I'll show you around. Alrighty, here we are, new HQ. Golf club? Nah, it's a magnet. I'll show you why. Guy before had a fire. No. Bad news, got into a little bit of a fender bender last night. So somebody tried to merge into me. As you can see, we pretty much touched wheels. This panel bent in here, bent out here. Lights destroyed. Lights popped out too. So I think tabs are broken there. Don't know what happened there. It's like a new crack here, new crack there.